daytime. Stupid lawnmower is on. I just wish it was quiet. I really hope we'll end this thing. But this is what it looks like in the daytime running. I don't really know if you can hear the freaking compressor running. I want to see what's going on there, because this thing is not appear to be. Oh wait, feels so warm here. So that's good. At least it's a little bit warm. Unfortunately, like I said, the furnace is actually over there, and then it's over on that side of the house. Oh, that's so much better. Thank God he's gone. Now you can hear it. And then the unit is right over here. So isn't that odd? Yeah. To me that's odd. Yeah, nice though. A.O. Smith fan motor really does a pretty good job. Okay guys, I guess that's it. It looks like in the daytime. Running. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Okay, unfortunately the unit shut off. One more thing I forgot to add on. The unit was not original to the house. This was, however, installed in 2010. So even though it's just like, to me, I think I remember the heat pump that we had at the Rafford house, or the old house, is that the carrier, the furnace that turns into an air handler was a 2006, and then the heat pump, the Carrier Infinity, the Carrier was a 2006 Carrier Infinity, and sorry, no, I meant to say that the furnace was a 2006 Carrier Infinity series, and then the heat pump was a 2007 Carrier Infinity series. So yeah, I was trying to remember that. Anyway guys, thanks again for watching.
Country roads, almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the